A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important topic of chapter photosynthesis in higher plant, and the topic is dark reaction. Dark reaction. Dark reaction. Now, first we revise our previous class content, then we proceed to the today's topic. In previous class, we have discussed about the light reaction. In the light reaction, the formation of ATP and NADPH2 takes place with the help of photosystem first and photosystem second. Photosystem first absorb the wavelength of 700 nanometer or work at 700 nanometer. That's why it is represented by P700, whereas photosystem second represented by 680 P680. That means absorb wavelength, light wavelength of 680 nanometer. Now, in the photosystem first or photosystem second, the cyclic or non-cyclic photophosphorylation takes place. Phosphorylation, that means ATP synthesis, or in a cyclic manner or non-cyclic manner. The non-cyclic photophosphorylation takes place in the thylakoid, whereas in stroma lamellae, the cyclic photophosphorylation is present only. Now, because of the photosystem first, only photosystem first is present in the stroma lamella. So, also there is absent of NADP reductase due to they only synthesize ATP, not the NADPH2. So in the cyclic photophosphorylation, both ATP or NADPH synthesized, whereas in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, both NADPH2 or ATP synthesized, but in cyclic photophosphorylation only ATP synthesized, because they lack the photosystem second and also lack the enzyme. NADP reductase enzyme. Now, let us discuss about the dark reaction. In the dark reaction, the fixing of carbon dioxide takes place. Fixing of carbon dioxide. Fixing of carbon dioxide. Fixing of carbon dioxide takes place. Now, fixing of carbon dioxide done through the Calvin cycle. The Melvin-Calvin denote the Calvin cycle, how the fixing of nitrogen or carbon dioxide takes place. It is the following steps takes place in the Calvin cycle. First, we discuss about the pathway. The two type of pathway run in the fixing of photosynthesis. The pathway C3 pathway and C4 pathway. Second pathway is C4 pathway. So the C3 pathway, that means 3 carbon containing, the first compound which is formed in C3 pathway is 3 carbon atom containing compound. Because of this reason, they are termed as C3 pathway, because 3 carbon atom containing molecule form as a first product in fixing of carbon dioxide. So that means the first product is phosphoglyceric acid in the C3 pathway, whereas in C4 pathway the 4 carbon containing molecule form, carbon atom containing molecule form, that is oxaloacetic. On the basis of this reason, on the basis of the first product formation in the Calvin cycle, the term use C3 pathway and the term use C4 pathway for the fixing of carbon dioxide in Calvin cycle. Now, in the Calvin cycle, in the Calvin cycle, the fixing of carbon dioxide takes place by Rubisco, but in by the Rubisco enzyme. But in C3 pathway, directly they form the phosphoglyceric acid that constitute in the Calvin cycle, whereas in oxalo, in the C4 plant or through the C4 pathway, the oxaloacetic acid is unstable compound which transfer into the bundle sheath, or through in the bundle sheath they get associated, the carbon dioxide get associated from the oxaloacetic acid, or it converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate, then they transfer into the carbon dioxide transfer into the Calvin cycle. Now let us discuss about the C3 pathway or the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle in C3 plant or C4 plant to occur in 3 steps. First step is carboxylation. Second step is reduction. Third step is regeneration. Carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. The 3 steps participate in the Calvin cycle, or the 3 steps carried out in Calvin cycle for the fixation of one carbon dioxide. That's why for the fixing 6 carbon dioxide for the formation of one molecule of glucose, because in the carbohydrate there is 6 carbon present. So through the one Calvin cycle, we plant only fix a single carbon. For fixing the 6 carbon molecule, the plants have to run 6 Calvin cycle, so that they fix all the carbon of one glucose molecule. After the 6 Calvin cycle, they will only synthesize one glucose molecule. Now in the first step, carboxylation means the fixing of carbon, or the ribulose bisphosphate substrate bind with the carbon dioxide in the presence of ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase or oxygenase. So two enzyme actually root P used as a substrate, or the enzyme is Rubisco. Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase. Bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. So this is the enzyme. Now here is compound ribulose bisphosphate. Now another ribulose bisphosphate bind with carbon dioxide, fix carbon dioxide in the presence of enzyme Rubisco. Rubisco is simply ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase or oxygenase. Phosphate carboxylase oxygenase. oxygenase. Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Now, in the presence of enzyme Rubisco, RUP bind with carbon dioxide or fix carbon dioxide and form the first product. Two molecule of first product, phosphoglyceric acid, which is 3 carbon containing molecule, and here is RUP is 5 carbon containing molecule. So when they bind with the single carbon dioxide, so overall 6 carbon containing molecule form, which breaks into 2 molecule of 3 carbon containing molecule, atom containing molecule, phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. This process is the conversion of RUP into the 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid known as carboxylation. Carboxylation, the first step, which is the fixing of carbon dioxide. Through the fixing of carbon dioxide, they form first atom containing of 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. Then after reduction of 2 phosphoglyceric acid involve use of 1 ATP molecule to form ADP, 1 phosphate used in the reduction, or 2 NADPH H plus NADPH2 and convert into NADP plus. So 1 NADPH molecule also used for the conversion of 2 phosphoglyceric acid to triose phosphate. Triose phosphate. So this is the compound. Now through the triose phosphate, the last step is regeneration of RUP. Regeneration of RUP. It also involves the use of ATP. Converted to ADP. So these are the reaction of the Calvin cycle, or the elements or the compound of the Calvin cycle, which runs in the mesophyll cells of C3 plant, and product is 3 carbon containing molecules. So that's why it is denoted as C3 plant or C3 pathway or C3 pathway. Calvin cycle RUP ribulose in the Calvin cycle RUP ribulose bisphosphate bind with the carbon dioxide in the presence of enzyme Rubisco, or they converted into 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. Now 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid with the use of ATP and NADPH2 converted into triose phosphate. The triose phosphate goes under many steps to form glucose or and many steps. Also the triose for 1 molecule of triose phosphate converted into the regeneration of ribulose bisphosphate again. So ATP used during the regeneration of ribulose bisphosphate, 2 ATP and 2 NADPH2 used during the for making the triose phosphate, because 2 molecule of here and 2 due to the formation of 2 molecule of both the molecule of phosphoglyceric acid undergoes the formation of triose phosphate. That's why 2 molecule of ATP and 2 NADPH used during the fixing of one carbon dioxide. Overall 2 here and 1 here in the regeneration, 2 in the reduction and 1 in the regeneration. Overall 3 ATP used in the Calvin cycle. C3 for fixing 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, whereas 2 NADPH used for fixing the 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. So overall fixing of 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, 3 ATP used and NADPH, 2 NADPH2 used in the fixing of carbon dioxide. Now let us discuss about the C4 pathway. In the C4 pathway of Calvin cycle, because that are present in a special type of plant that are zero fitting or shows a different modification, or for reducing the carbon, for reducing the transpiration, the mesophyll cells, Rubisco enzyme also, they show the Kranz anatomy, a specific feature for the fixing of carbon dioxide. And the first product in the C4 plant or C4 pathway, C4 pathway is oxaloacetic acid, which is 4 carbon containing molecule. That's why the pathway is represented by C4 pathway. Or they show the strands anatomy or specific type of anatomy. Now this is the structure of the, here is bundle sheath cells, this represent the mesophyll cell. In the mesophyll, the phosphoenol pyruvate is present, packed, also said to be packed. Phosphoenol pyruvate bind with or fix nitrogen, bind with carbon dioxide, actually carbon dioxide, or converted into oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid. So 1 carbon here and 3 carbon containing molecule is phosphoenol pyruvate. Converted into the oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid transfer into the bundle sheath cell or through the plasmodesmata. So such type of anatomy is known as Kranz anatomy. Kranz anatomy. In the Kranz anatomy, the cells, the oxaloacetic acid transfer into the bundle sheath cell to convert into the carbon dioxide and phosphoenol pyruvate. The phosphoenol pyruvate again transfer into the mesophyll cell for the binding with ATP. Now carbon dioxide fixed with the Calvin cycle. Here is again the Calvin cycle run, fixed by P, ribulose bisphosphate, converted into phosphoglyceric acid, and that converted triose phosphate, or then again regeneration. So here is carboxylation process, then phosphoglyceric acid undergoes in reduction to and here is ATP used and ADP form, and NADPH to again used to form NADP plus, or through the many reaction glucose will form, or here is again the regeneration is carried out. The last step. So these are the reaction which participate in the formation of glucose molecule. So the reaction or cycle is C4 Calvin cycle and the pathway is C4 pathway. Both the Calvin cycle run in both the plant C3 or C4 plant, but the exception is that the mesophyll cells do not have the Rubisco enzyme. That's why the phosphoenol pyruvate fix the carbon dioxide in mesophyll cell or converted into the 4 carbon atom containing molecule oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid transfer into the bundle sheath cell or break into carbon dioxide of phosphoenol pyruvate. Through the phosphoenol pyruvate again transfer into the mesophyll cells where the carbon dioxide bind with Rup-P ribulose bisphosphate, because bundle sheath have the Rubisco enzyme. In the presence of Rubisco enzyme, the Rup-P bind with the carbon dioxide to form phosphoglyceric acid, but phosphoglyceric acid not the first product. First product is oxaloacetic acid. That's why the pathway is known as C4 pathway. Here is overall about the dark reaction. In next class we will discuss about the factor affecting the photosynthesis. That is the last topic of the photosynthesis. Or here is overall about the photosynthesis process. Or photorespiration is another process which is a waste, which is a result in the formation of waste product. In the presence or in the absence of carbon dioxide, in the presence of oxygen molecule, the Rubisco, because Rubisco denotes the carboxylase or oxygenase, that means they phosphoglyceric acid, but phosphoglyceric acid not the first product. First product is oxaloacetic acid. That's why the pathway is known as C4 pathway. Here is overall about the dark reaction. In next class we will discuss about the factor affecting the photosynthesis. That is the last topic of the photosynthesis. Or here is overall about the photosynthesis process. Or photorespiration is another process which is a waste, which is a result in the formation of waste product. In the presence or in the absence of carbon dioxide, in the presence of oxygen molecule, the Rubisco, because Rubisco denotes the carboxylase or oxygenase, that means they are carried out both the reaction carboxylation and oxidation too. In the absence of carbon dioxide, they bind with the oxygen and form the compound. So students, here is the overall about the dark reaction. Now in dark reaction, the fixation of carbon dioxide takes place, which is carried out by the two pathways, C3 pathway and C4 pathway. Through the C3 pathway, we generally run the Calvin cycle only. The Rup-P bind with the carbon dioxide in the presence of Rubisco enzyme, whereas to form phosphoglyceric acid, which is the first product or 3 carbon containing molecule. So that's why the pathway is known as C3 pathway or C3 plant, in which the pathway is run. That plant is C3 plant, or they fix the carbon dioxide to form glucose through the Calvin cycle. In the C4 pathway, the special type of anatomy seen in the C4 plant or C4 pathway, which is a Kranz anatomy, which is the bundle sheath cell surrounded by mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cell actually lack Rubisco enzyme, or due to phosphoenol pyruvate or PEP bind with the carbon dioxide, converted into the 4 carbon containing molecule oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid transfer into the bundle sheath cell or breaks into the phosphoenol, again phosphoenol pyruvate and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide fixed through the Calvin cycle, whereas phosphoenol pyruvate again transfer into the mesophyll cell for fixing of, for binding to the carbon dioxide. So it is overall about the C4 or C3 plants. In next class we will discuss about the next topic. I hope you like this video. Keep listening and watching me, and thank you students.